current status of preparedness in general as we move towards the games dates?
It's very good. It's very good. We have been consciously dealing on each and every aspect, whether it is equipment, medical cover, the very projects, the infrastructure, transport. On every count, the CEO and the sports secretary has been holding meetings very regularly, very regularly. Yesterday he was here. He spent time with the competition directors and GTCC committee. We have formed 11 functional areas, and they have been given the task of preparing for the national games. Now, as regard security, DIG and IGP have been following up. They have prepared their scheme. Shortly, we have already discussed once. Shortly, again, we are going to discuss their scheme. Accommodation has been assigned to tourism department.
We have asked 225 crores. How much are they giving you? What have they told you about it?
We are very positive about it. We have heard that they have moved the proposal to the minister, Minister for Sports, and we are quite positive about it. The Honorable Chief Minister has been pursuing with the Union Sports Ministry, and we are quite positive about it.
There is not much worry, but I have told these two indoor stadiums.
Sawalwada and Campal.
Yeah, these are going on. So that is the main worry which I have already explained. But the work has started. It is going on. Yesterday also we visited this Campal stadium. So we have seen people are working and this. And chief engineer is also here. You can talk to him. What is the schedule he has made for that? When it will be ready and all these things. But of course, it's a time-bound. 6 months to go. But the good thing is now rains are over. So this is one of the plus points. If rains are there, then they have to stop the work. So that is a good thing. I think they are sure. They are also confident that they will be finishing that. Campal, yes. Campal. They wanted to go for another one, but we refused for that. Campal is final. Because technically that is good. Only some renovation work is required and some little bit facilities to be added.